What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Let me know what you think of all the videos. Support is greatly appreciated, and also recommendations, I'll take them into account. But yeah, let me not waffle too much and let's get straight into this pair. Standard green and white Puma box needs no introduction. It is kind of battered. I don't know what it is with Puma boxes falling apart low-key. But it's more important what's in the box and what's on the box. So this pair is the RSZ reinvention. If you're American, it will be RSZ. The colorway is high rise Puma white. It's a bit different. Style code is, or product code is 38662905, UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11 and centimeter 29, and this pair is made in Vietnam. Let's get straight into that. So got the tissue paper, all of that, that's whatever. Yes, I really like this colorway, man. I really like this colorway. So as you can tell, it's just a grey and white with a touch of blue. The Puma RSZ. The sole, we've got that Puma RS, or that Puma running system sole. It's got the little grippy bubbles there. The rest is quite flat, to be honest. And it says RS, so running system on the back there, and like a little blue tab. It also says Forever Faster, and it's got Puma logo there and the Puma swoosh, and then the rights reserved and all that stuff. Midsole, we've got a white midsole, or predominantly white midsole. Then it's got a tab of grey. On the back it's got a tab of blue. I really like this blue colour, I'll be honest, very nice blue. And then we've got the tab there, and the rest is obviously white. Going back here, so we've got that material, and then we've got sticker. So it's not actually sewn on, it's like a sticker. If you want to see it closely, it's stuck on to make the Puma swoosh, what I call it. Then we've got like a cotton up top, suede, and then suede at the bottom. Leather on the back, but it's not the best leather, but you know, it is one of those leathers that will last a bit longer because of that. RS running system in grey, kind of stamped in or engraved in, more suede. Then we've got nubuck around the toe, mesh on the toe box so they don't crease. That is a plus, very good for the summer. The standard Puma laces, and then on the tab on the tongue it says RS running system with the Puma logo. On the inside again, RS running system on the insole. On the back it's got another tab, and then it's like a white string that goes around, and then plastic tab. Same on the inside, like literally exactly the same. There's not really any differences. And yeah, grey all on the inside. Very nice shoe, very good for the summer, if I'm honest. I really do like this pair. Really like this colorway. You know, there's so many ways to style this pair. I'm very comfortable. But yeah, let me know what you think of this pair. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know exactly what you think of this pair. Check out all the other videos. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot, and I'll also post it separately. So take a look at both of the videos. Take care, my people.